Wave 6, let's talk about it. Here's a quick summary. What deploys a single click is all it takes to package and share your Windsurf built apps to the public. There is now enterprise access to MCPs and turbo mode. Commit message generation lets you summarize the current diff in one click. We made it easy to access and revert changes to past conversations. Tab uses search queries for context, and Jupyter Notebook also supports Tab. There's a bunch of other updates like MCP SSE support, an easier way to find and edit memories, a couple new icons, and more. If you're new here, we group all our major product updates into what we call a wave, so let's just break down what is in Wave 6. We have seen thousands of Windsurf users build incredible websites and applications, so we are thrilled to introduce deploys. With one click, you can push your websites and apps live to the public in seconds without ever leaving your workflow. In this beta launch, we have partnered with Netlify to make this a reality. Behind the scenes, we analyze your project, upload the files, and deploy it to a unique Windsurf.build subdomain. You can claim your deployment to your personal Netlify account to track build logs in real time and redeploy to the same project ID whenever you want. Enterprise users now get access to turbo mode and MCP server support with full admin level control to manage access to these tools across the org. These features are enabled by default for new orgs, and existing ones can actually adjust the settings via the admin portal. You can now automatically generate git commit messages with just one click to summarize your changes directly in the source control management sidebar. And you can tweak the suggestion before committing. You can now easily scroll to or revert to past user messages using our table of contents feature. Additionally, Cascade now works significantly smoother when you're in an active, long conversation. Jupyter Notebook also supports Tab. You can get the full power of Windsurf Tab with autocomplete, super complete, tap to jump, and tap to import in your Jupyter Notebooks. Results from your file or workspace search will now be used as context in Windsurf Tab, allowing for a more intuitive and efficient workflow. On top of these, we created a faster tap to jump experience, even when your cursor position is much further away. And we made a long list of other Tab UI fixes and speedups. With our improved search and memory management panel, accessing memories has never been easier. In addition, you have full control over Cascade's auto-generated memories and can edit them at any time. There's new Windsurf app icons to choose from, so enjoy those. MCP servers now support connecting to remote servers. We redesigned the terminal experience, and we merged in the latest upstream VS Code updates. That is a wrap on Wave 6. There's just a lot going on, and to ensure that you have access to all these things, make sure you update to the latest version of Windsurf today. Surf's up!